Well, like everything else around here, I thought I was gonna be done. It's not leaking from the pecs, but the floor's wet. So I went and found out why. This is leaking, and I just had this worked on. So So what I did, just to check and make sure that this is what was going on, I found out back here that it's damp. There's water coming from this one, and I'm fear that it was going down through this pipe, this one here, and flowing under the floor and making it wet. So what I did was I just got some caulk and I filled this with caulk to see if the other side dries out. If that dries out, then I'm going to I'll put in the concrete mortar over there. If it doesn't dry out today, then I'm going to have to tear up more of the floor and try to repair this entire piece of PEX from here over. So it may be cracked here somewhere to that other spot, because I believe this is the one that runs right there on the other side. You can kind of see it through the hole on that side. So yeah, so I'm just, I was still thinking of maybe going on my trip, but that is not going to happen, because this is going to be another day of waiting to see if it dries. Then I will possibly go, but it's not looking good for my trip. Another vacation destroyed by this house.